Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto markets. So it appears that the rug got pulled on crypto today. We experienced a very large drawdown, and there is a lot of panic in the air. You can just feel it. However, I'm not worried, and I'll be explaining why in this video. So make sure you stick with me until the very end, and you smash the like button, you hit the subscribe button, you leave a comment down below, and if you don't have that notification bell turned on, go ahead and ding that bell right now so you don't miss when I upload a video. And like always, let the gains be with you. So Bitcoin dropped as much as $14,000 in a single red candle today. It touched just underneath 30K, about $29,500. And altcoins also took a very big hit. However, I don't think this is the top. I think that this was very large scale manipulation by the whales and the billionaires, the people who realize that Bitcoin is real and that Bitcoin is here to stay and that they need the Bitcoin that is in your wallet. So what do? They turn you, they flip you upside down, and they shake you out. They shake out your pockets, and they get you for all your Bitcoin. They get you to panic, they get you all fearful, and they get you to sell. This is a psychological operation, and if you weren't really about crypto, I have many friends, a lot of friends that call me today. They told me they sold, asked me what they should do. Told them I'm not financial advice. Nothing I say here is financial advice. This content is for informational purposes only, but I told them to buy the dip. So let's get into the computer right now so I can show you what is going on with Bitcoin. So obviously, like I just said, we had a large $14,000 red candle today. That is this big red candle right here. We dropped 14K in one day. That's the biggest ever for Bitcoin. And from the top, if we go over here, let's go to a 3-day price chart. So from the top, we dropped about 45%, if I'm not mistaken. 54%. So yeah, quite a big substantial drop. However, every single bull market, we do see 30 to 40% corrections on the regular. Obviously, this one was a bit more exaggerated from the top with a 54% drop. So yeah, this is a pretty monumental day. We haven't seen a large correction like this since the March 2020 crash when the news was announced that day. As I'm not going to mention what that was, but you guys know the deal, what happened that day, and we saw a very large correction in the cryptocurrency markets. We haven't seen a correction like that until today. So with that being said, I did mention some manipulations. Let's head over to Twitter. We can see the altcoin psycho. Follow altcoin psycho if you want some good alpha on Twitter. But essentially, he said that crypto is a manipulated market, and the sooner you accept this, the better you're trading. For those who laugh at that idea, it's a poorly regulated space with billionaires and governments as participants. What do you expect? You really think they play fair? It's all psyops, add-on. So yeah, he's talking the truth. Like, let's be real for a second. We got people with access to a money printer, right? The money printer go burr. They don't care about money, right? This is all fun and games to them. Obviously, they're going to play with your head and play with your emotions like they always do. So that's why you need diamond hands and you need the mental conviction in your head, right? Since I started Crypto Empire just over 2 months ago, I have been talking about how the market's manipulated, and you need to be aware of that, but it doesn't affect your trading plan. That is why, as a trader, you stick to your plan. You have tunnel vision. Nothing can sway you out of your plan. Whatever happens is all outside noise. There's a lot of news about China FUD, China banning Bitcoin, energy this, energy that. It's all nonsense to your trading, right? As a trader, you read the charts. And me personally, my strategy is lining up technicals with strong fundamentals. I recently did just call Harmony 1 last week in my private Discord group. I had over a 200% trade, worked out very well. And that's because I put 2 and 2 together. I saw Matic absolutely pumping. It's a layer 2 scaling solution. We have Harmony 1 is scaling blockchain, sharding, etc. Follows the narrative of Matic, and it was at a low point. It was at support on the chart at about 9 cents. I entered at about 11 cents. It pumped up to 18 cents, right? We catch those moves. We pair fundamental analysis with technical analysis to take strong opportunities. So with all this being said, I'm not going to be showing you news articles in this video, right? Like the news, I don't really pay attention to the news, guys, right? I have the full mental conviction. If we just look at the macro big picture, look at what's happening in the world. The money printer's going burr. Everything's kind of falling apart, right? The financial systems, what do we have? We have cryptocurrency. It is revolutionizing the world. And for this reason, the fundamentals are so strong. And look at these prices right now, right? We got BNB for $300, Ethereum 22.3K, Polkadot down to $25, right? Where is VeChain at 10 cents? Theta hit like $3 today. It's $5 right now. Kusama, where Monero, right? Monero's at $204. This is gonna pump, absolutely pump. And Kusama as well, $325. So everything's kind of on fire sale right now. So I'm gonna get into the charts right now and show you coins that I am looking at to pick up on a heavy discount. I did just mention Polkadot. So let's take a look at Polkadot, go back to a daily chart. So where did we go to? We're going to be drawing some fibs as well, but we did go right to a level of demand, right? So notice how the market makers just wicked down into lower areas. So yeah, we did touch all the way to $17 for Polkadot. And if we take a measured calculation of how far we actually did drop, it was about right to the 88.6 here. So yeah, 88.6, we're sitting just above the 78.6 in between the golden pocket here. Very, very good price levels to look to acquire some Polkadot, not financial advice. We have Polkadot Decoded, which is the event, essentially. It's the biggest Polkadot event of the year. They're announcing parachains on Kusama. There's probably going to be more news about Polkadot developments and parachains, crowd loans, etc. This asset, guys, we're nowhere near the top. You think the top is $49 for Polkadot? You're not about crypto, or you're just uninformed, all right? So Polkadot's a very bullish project, a project that I'm very bullish on, that you may want to consider as well. I did also mention Kusama. It needs to be mentioned. At this point in time, like, these two projects, it's really, I'm focusing a lot of my attention on them, and for good reason. So Kusama did drop to $150 on the flash today, right, all the way down here to this level. And we're now sitting at $316, right in this, we're in a very strong level on the chart, right here, right, in a demand zone. So yeah, Kusama, guys, $315, really big discount. But let's look at the Satoshi value, right, because it's always good to look at the Bitcoin value in terms of these altcoins to see how they are holding up. Kusama did break beneath the 55 EMA on the daily into this level over here. So yeah, prices just really retraced to level. This was right in May 11th, right? We didn't really drop that far. This was like last week we were at these levels, right? Kusama had a huge increase to 1.4 million Satoshis. Now we're at 856,000 sats. If we take a measure move to see where we did go to, it looks again like the 88.6. Yeah, so market makers, they know what they're doing, right? There's a lot of theses and hypotheses out there about, you know, who's doing this or whatever. But like I said, it's irrelevant who's manipulating the market. All it means for you is it's an opportunity for you to profit from it. You always need to have the mentality of optimism. Look for opportunities. I've said this before on my channel, in my videos. As a trader, as an investor in crypto, you need to be emotionless. You need to be stone cold. Because when you're too up here, when you're too high, you tend to get lazy, you get too loose, right? You get too loose with your rules and you give a lot of money back. When you're too low, you're not looking for that next opportunity. You need to be right in the middle, in that danger zone where you're unstoppable and you're scanning always. You're on high alert, ready for that next opportunity to pounce on it. So this is the mentality, the psychology we teach here at Crypto Empire. If you want to learn more about it, I have a free Telegram group. I have a free ebook. I'll link that down in the description below. And if you really want to take your trading to the next level, I do have a premium Discord. Right now, it's half off. You can get in for $50 per month. So go ahead and check that out. The link is in the description. So Kusama, guys, held its value relatively well. We dropped down to prices we saw like a week ago in May. Kusama is about to be launching parachains. Crowd loan auctions are about to start. This asset's going to absolutely take off from here. This is nowhere near the top for KSM. Next coin that I do want to talk about is Zilliqa. Okay, Zilliqa has a lot of news coming out soon, right? Their Ethereum bridge. And Zilliqa was on sale today, went as low as 6 cents. Let me just clean this chart up. So yeah, Zilliqa went as low as 6 cents, and we can see that we haven't hit these price levels since January. So if you did have any orders placed down here in this really low zone from the new year, well, then you would have gotten filled, and that might be the trade of your life, honestly. So shout out to you if you did end up having an order down there. Somebody did, right? There were orders clearly down here. Was it market makers? Maybe, right? We don't know. That's the beauty of crypto. You don't really know who's on the other side of the trade. That's the beauty of the financial markets in general and trading, right? Trading is a zero-sum game. There's always a winner and there's always a loser. So if you are the loser in a trade, you shouldn't be mad about losing the money. You should be mad about why you lost, and you should analyze why you lost so it can improve your approach for the next time around. This game is it's just like anything in life. If you want to be successful, you need to be constantly hungry and improving and analyzing your mistakes, learning from your mistakes, learning from other people's mistakes, so that you can improve your skills and position yourself to play from a position of strength. Because really, you need to always be thinking like 3 to 4 steps ahead. And right now, if we're thinking 3 to 4 steps ahead, we know that this is nowhere near the top of the crypto bull market. So we're ready for what's to come after this fear wears out. Because there will be a point in time again when retail is FOMOing into very big green candles. We want to position ourselves now when retail just sold their bags. Right now is the time to scoop in on the low. If we go lower, not financial advice, guys, but bid more, right? So yeah, Zilliqa sitting at 10 cents right now. We are down from the all-time high. We're down 57% for Zilliqa. So I would call that a discount, right? 57% down from the all-time high of 25 cents. Zilliqa has a lot of big news coming out. They're partnered with big athletes, right? They're partnered with big football teams, big football clubs. They have the Ethereum bridge coming out soon. So I'm bullish on this blockchain. It's the first starting blockchain. Let's also look at the Zilliqa BTC value. So Zilliqa priced in Bitcoin, we can see that we're sitting at 293 Satoshis currently. And really, we're where we were in late April. It's not that big of a deal, right? Unless you just entered crypto, then this really isn't that big of a deal for you. Yes, we're all hurting today. We all lost money, right? All of our account values went down, but that's the game that we play with crypto. We know how volatile it is. We accept the risk when we enter into a position, and we know that it's extremely volatile, and the events like these happen. Last bull market, we saw 9 corrections of 30 to 40%. This is how the market works. Unless you can't stomach it, right, you need to be emotionally detached from the outcome. I thought it was entertaining watching this dip today, and I was ready to swoop in and buy it on the low because I don't care, right? Or I do care, obviously. What I'm trying to say is I'm emotionally detached from what happens because, yes, I am extremely bullish on crypto. It is revolutionizing the world. Blockchain technology is making the world a better place. It is giving the power back to the people. That outlook hasn't changed. The media can say what they want. It's not going to change my opinion. I'm not going anywhere, and you're not going to get my bags, that's for sure. Okay, so it's all on you, right? You can watch my content, you can watch anybody's crypto content on YouTube, consume whatever you want, but you need to have the conviction in your head. Nobody can do that for you. You are the only person that can press that green buy button or press that red sell button at the end of the day. It's all on you. Yes, we are here to help. I have a lot of resources to help you on your journey, but really you need to take the responsibility as a sovereign individual and put yourself to play from a position of strength. So we just saw one of the biggest down days in the history of cryptocurrency. I hope that you are all right now. I hope you aren't emotionally attached to what is happening right now. Take some time away from the screen and get ready to catch the next opportunity, because this cycle is nowhere near over, and we will have many more trades to take, coins to pick, and gains to be made. This is Crypto Empire. We are here to dominate the crypto markets, and we're not going anywhere. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing the world, and we're here to capture the trend. Yes, we're here for the gains, but we are here for the tech as well. And that is why we are able to stay so convinced that crypto is here to stay and that this isn't the cycle top, because we're early in 2021. The amount of events on every project's roadmap that are going to be released coming this year, right? All of these projects are going to be releasing mainnets, be releasing their products for the public things are just getting started, guys. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire. If you did enjoy this content, make sure you leave a comment down below. You smash the like button on this video. You subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. You hit that notification bell. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video.